If you've been searching for different ways to make money online, search no further, because this one single video can be your portal to financial freedom, and all you need to do is just watch free videos on Netflix. I found this brand new website where anyone can start making money online by watching Netflix videos. All you need is either a phone, computer, or a laptop and internet connection, and you can start to make money online right away. In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to sign up for this website and start getting paid every single day to just watch free videos. So let us begin with step number 1. Step number 1 is to go to onlinebusinessfreebies.com/watch, or just click the first link in the description box down below. That will open up this page for you where you can learn more about this job that pays a minimum of $15 an hour. And then just enter your name and your best email address where they can send you the videos to watch. Remember to enter your real information, because otherwise you won't be able to complete any tasks and get paid. And also make sure to check your spam folder on that email, because as a bonus, they will send you an email that includes a private app that pays you to use Google and much more. If you can't find the email, just go to spam folder and search for no reply at onlinebusinessfreebies.com. Once you do that, you can go back and now you will be taken to the website where this job post is listed. Once there, you will need to enter some details about yourself so they can find available work from jobs for you. You will enter your zip code, then you will need to enter your first name, last name, and again, your real email address, because if you enter an email that you are not using, you will not be able to receive your earnings and new jobs. Now, you will just continue to answer these short questions that they have laid out for you, and once you finish everything, you can start watching videos to get paid like this. So, they will be sending you new videos to watch every single day via email. And in case you are not accepted for the job, which rarely happens, you can still just use the app that was sent to you via email, because that one doesn't require any review process in order for you to start getting paid with it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you some inspiration and ideas for how to make money while you watch Netflix. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just looking for a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash, these ideas can help you get started. So grab your favorite snacks, turn on your favorite show, and start making some money while you relax and enjoy yourself. Happy streaming!